Palladium against US dollar this week was jumping between these two price levels, 937 a resistance level and 905 a support level, where the price could not make a clean breakout. Now on the weekly time frame we can see this was a bearish breakout the previous week, and this week the price has stayed below this price level, which means below 937, which is a confirmation of this bearish breakout, which is usually an indication further decline down in value. On the monthly time frame we can see that the price has formed in the previous month a bearish breakout with a large wick, and this month has just started. We have 3 weeks until this month closes, so everything's still open. We will need to see on the lower time frame how the price behaves. But if the price stays below 937, currently acting as a resistance level, this will be an indication that the price has found enough strength for bears that the price will continue to fall down even more. Weekly time frame we can see it is information that has been confirmed with this week, which means I'm looking for the price to return back down. Targeting the first level where the price could stop is 858.28. This is the next target for the price. Now on the daily time frame we can see that price needs to go below 905 a support level in order to fall down even more to reach this area where the price has reached the lowest price level in the past, and this is around 855 price level. So we need to have a clean breakout below this one to continue to fall down. Until the price makes a clean breakout below that, I'm waiting outside. And if the price returns back up, making a clean breakout on the upper side, it is also will be information that the price will continue to rise in value, reaching this area around the resistance 974. So currently it is the best to wait outside because of this indecision on the market and wait for a clean breakout. When the breakout happens, it will be a clean information where the price will go. This is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.